If you're selling a home in Bowling Green, there are 5 mistakes I see sellers make every single week, and they cost them thousands of dollars. Let's make sure you're not one of them. I'm Nikki Adams, a realtor here in Bowling Green, Kentucky. My team and I work with buyers and sellers every single week, and we see firsthand what helps homes sell quickly and what causes sellers to leave money on the table. Everything I'm sharing today comes directly from what's happening right here in our local market. Mistake number 1, overpricing kills momentum. Sorry to say it this way, but you only get one chance at first impressions. So if you overprice your home from the beginning with that old school mentality that you can always come down but you can't go up, then you're operating in a market that has long passed. In today's market, you get one chance for that first impression. Buyers are scrolling through hundreds of homes before they decide what they're going to see, and they have all the data in front of them with all the apps and all the information that's available to them. And so they can tell if your home is overpriced or if it's priced aggressively. Buyers don't feel like they're getting a good deal on rates right now, which means that they have to get a good deal on the price of the house for them to feel like it's a win-win in this market. We're seeing more inventory than we've seen in years. And with more inventory, that means more competition. So what that means for sellers is you have to be priced right or they're not even scheduling showings on your house. Mistake number 2, ignoring simple prep and staging. The best way to get your home ready when you're ready to list is to go through, declutter, make sure that you're removing personal items. So when a buyer walks through, they feel like they're walking through a space that could be theirs. When you have a home that feels too personal, you feel like you're walking through someone else's home. It makes it hard for buyers to see themselves living in that space. I always like to tell my sellers, think about it like when you visit a hotel or an Airbnb. You're comfortable going in and feeling at home because there's not family photos of someone posted on the wall or decor that maybe could be controversial for different people. So we always like to say keep it neutral, keep it clean, declutter. These are all things that you can do without spending a ton of money that make your home show so much better. Mistake number 3, choosing an agent based on friendship or discount. So if you have an agent that's willing to discount their commission just to get your listing, then that means that they're typically taking that money from what they would be investing in getting your home sold. The other part of that that's really important to think about is if your agent can't even negotiate with you to hold their money in their pocket, what do you think they're going to do and how hard do you think they're going to fight to keep your money in your pocket? A discount agent that can't negotiate with you to get your home listed is probably not going to be as strategic or able to negotiate the highest price for you when it comes to making as much money as possible on your house. I see a lot of people who choose an agent because of a personal relationship or a friendship with them. This is your largest asset. This is not a favor. This is not something that you're doing because you like someone. You don't choose a doctor or a lawyer or a dentist because you like them. You choose them because they're the best in that field. So it's really important to choose an agent that is a market expert and has the best chances of getting your home sold, not someone that you are just choosing because you like them or because you have a personal relationship with them. This is business, not personal. Mistake number 4, poor listing photos and lazy marketing. A home's not going to sell if it looks like trash online because buyers are looking at hundreds before they ever decide to step foot in one. They've already made their mind up on what their top picks are from all the information that they're gathering online. So if your house doesn't show well online, they're not even going to schedule a showing to come in and see all the great features that you might have in your home. Lazy marketing, a lot of agents will put a sign in the yard, put it in the MLS, and then pray someone else comes and sells it. That is what we call lazy marketing. We also see this with people putting their home on Zillow, for sale by owners or people or agents who maybe put their houses on Facebook and call that marketing. If your agent's only using Facebook or a couple social media sites to market your property, that is just a small piece of the pie. And there's a whole pie out there. You want to make sure you're getting this in front of as many buyers as possible to increase your chances of getting the best offer possible. Mistake number 5, not understanding the current Bowling Green market. I study the market every single week because the market's changing daily, definitely monthly. So we can't go off of trends that were working in 2021. The market doesn't dictate our results. Our strategy during the market dictates our results. And in order for us to have the right strategy, we have to study it to know what buyers are doing, what the listings are actually selling for, what pricing strategies make sense, what marketing strategies make sense. We cannot use the same strategies that we used years ago and think that we're going to get good results now because the market's ever changing. The good news is all of these mistakes are avoidable with the right preparation and strategy. A strong pricing plan, smart presentation, and good guidance from the right realtor can make a huge difference in how much money you walk away with. If you're thinking about selling and want to know what your home could realistically sell for in today's Bowling Green market, reach out to me for a free home value and pricing strategy. I'd love to help you make the smartest move possible. Be sure to check out my next video to learn more about the Bowling Green real estate market.